Hello, I'd like to introduce the seminar on Jungian dream interpretation that I'll be giving for the Weekend University on March 31st this year. Dreams tell us an incredible amount about what's going on in our lives. As Jung said, they tell us the natural, unvarnished truth. You may well ask, therefore, why are they so difficult to understand? Is it a matter of disguise? Are they trying to disguise some hidden wish, as Freud thought? Or is it rather, as Jung suggested, a matter of how to understand the symbols and their multiple layers of meaning and significance for us and what that really tells us about our lives? In the talk, I'll be talking a little bit about the history of dreams and dream interpretation, a little bit about Jung and Freud, something of the nature of neuroscience and what that's told us about dreams now. But mostly I'll be concentrating on how to unpack dreams and the meaning, and I'll be illustrating this with Jung's own dreams. And as something of an experiment, I'm going to try talking you through interpreting one of your own dreams in the privacy of your own notebook, that is. So do bring a dream along, but I suggest you make it a short one.